Everyone, you do that, and then go ahead and finish your second, third, and fourth jump on your paper, and I'll finish it on mine. All right. Once you're done, you can see that the picture graph, and everyone label it picture at the top, shows us by symbols what we measured. All right, now on the bottom half we are going to create a bar graph. So I'm going to leave my numbers because my numbers are going to be the same and my labels are going to be the same. But what's going to be different is how a bar graph is different than a picture graph. So pictures use symbols, but a bar graph uses, what do you think a bar graph uses to show your data, your numbers? In this case, your jumps. Stephanie? That's absolutely right. A bar graph shows your measurements with bars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use different colors to represent each jump. And you can do the same with your color pencil or color crayons. So for my first jump, I'm going to use purple. In my first jump, I jumped 4 feet. So a bar graph, you're going to draw a bar to represent your jumps. And you can color it in if you'd like to. Alright, and that's how you do your bar graph. So you go ahead and do your second, third, and fourth jump, and fifth jump, and I will do mine on the board. Okay. And remember, my jumps are going to be different from Stephanie's jumps and all of your jumps. And Stephanie's jumps are going to be different than Joey's jumps. So you can't look on and see, because she might have jumped bigger or farther than Joey jumped. Alright, so there is Miss Campbell's bar graph. Alright, and when you're done, put your pens down so I know, and I'm looking around and seeing who's done. Good job. Okay, so let's look at our bar graph. Our bar graph, you notice, are the bars touching? Are they together side by side, or are they separated a little bit? They are separated a little bit, because if they were together, that would be a completely different graph. That would be a histograph. So this is a bar graph, and they are separated. And you can also see how far we actually jump by our bars and how far they go up. So jump 1 goes all the way up to 4. So that's how I know that on my first jump, I jumped all the way to 4 feet. Now, who can tell me why it is important to be able to draw a picture graph and a bar graph? Absolutely. So it's important to be able to draw a picture graph and a bar graph from the data that we had in our data table, because then we can see our results. It's not just a whole bunch of numbers, but now we can see it and see how we compare. So most of my jumps, I have 3 that are all 5 feet. So I'm pretty consistent with my jumps, and I can see that from my bars.